Alright, so quick pre-market update. It's 5:17 a.m. over here, West Coast time. Over there, 8:17, I want to say, East Coast. We currently still are trending still overnight from the same area that we were these previous 2 days on from Wednesday and Thursday. Really haven't budged much. Um, So probably gonna stick to the try to do I guess maybe a little yesterday a little bit better. I want to say this is almost like um pretty much giving well, at least for me, the opportunity to do kind of redo yesterday. Because we're still in this very much zone. You still got this 2750 area, you still got this 2757 56 area. You still got this 2760 area up here. Let's see what levels are gonna be respected and which levels are gonna be ignored as we go along here. Let's see. Plans are gonna be to um, let's see. Oh no, I guess we're still gonna probably be bouncing between in this zone. I'll probably be looking to sell 2760 from yesterday's level down back to 2757. Buying 2753, 54 also from yesterday's level. And watching out for a bigger move into 27 to 27. For some reason I can't. So it's 2762. Yeah, there we go. 27. 6250. Be a good pass sell area. It wasn't very much respected yesterday, and the level that was quite respected was 2750. Level was quite respected. Yeah. So plan for going into today. So I'll definitely be aware of. I think I might just. I'm really thinking because yesterday at the end of the trading review, I really wanted to just probably we're gonna be working on just trading with one size contract, um, one size contracts, and looking for setups that I really understand. Probably gonna be looking specifically for head and shoulders, um, and we're gonna see whatever tries gets us above 2762. We're gonna be looking for strength into 2766. We're gonna be looking for any pullbacks on the way up. And for the way down, we're gonna definitely gonna be looking for a breakdown underneath 2750. For initial, we're gonna be looking for weakness into 2757. We're gonna be looking for failure at 2757, 56 area. Kind of similar to what we saw here yesterday. Towards the end of the day, where we failed 2767, brought down in 2757 area, and how we kind of slowly just failed into 2747. So we'll probably be looking for the similar situation here. Any indication of weakness, we'll be looking to take an opportunity any setups that lead that way um, to the downside. So overall, I think that's a good plan. That's what I'll be looking forward to doing. I'm gonna really work on trading less, and I think that I was listening to Brett Steenbarger's um, webinar yesterday about how, like, if you had only one trade left, what would you risk everything? Would you risk a trade on that one trade? And that stuck out to me a little bit because I think that's a really important thing to think about right now, especially in my trading, where I really don't have the fully, I'm not really well skilled yet, and that's probably what I'll be trying to focus on going into today, looking for key setups that make sense to me, and staying small, and yeah, that's what I'll be working on today. I'm going to quickly go into crude oil, which I think is doing some pretty interesting stuff. Maybe it might provide some more opportunity than CL at the moment. It is Friday, so there might be we have a new, I think we rolled into a new contract to May 18th, I think. I'm pretty sure I heard, yeah, saw Chico, one of my favorite Twitter followers that I follow. So really quickly, we're above already this trend line going down that was rejected us, that rejected price already a couple times here. So it's already made its um, made itself a viable trend line. You tell all these areas that it was that I lost. If we were to lose this trend line again, I guess below 61.30 would be a really good indication. Right below 61, staying below, getting down below 61 and staying down below it, I think would be pretty significant. Would be of significance, maybe down to 60.8. Mark this. But at this point, though, I do think we're more on the bullish side just because of the significance of this trend, or this the possible significance of this trend line. I guess we'll have to wait and see. But as you can tell on the 4-hour chart, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the sixth time getting up above this. I'll be looking forward to taking a position or writing any. So I'll probably try to wait for the initial rise, first run, and see if we can get on that wave, the second wave or something. So yeah, that's what we'll be looking to do in crude. 5 minutes. I'm gonna try not to jump in before there's no trend. Definitely gonna work on that. That's what usually what I have trouble with. So that's my goal for the day with crude, especially. I tend to just kind of as of late, I've been just kind of swinging for the fences and not really waiting for a good pitch. So that's what we'll be doing for crude. And then you have all this space to play with if we stay above this area right here. So that'll be cool.